Hi Steelers, I'm here today to show you guys our galvanized wheelbarrow. It is so cute and perfect for every season. We have a couple options here to show you. So you could do with some fake plants and a candle, and obviously, you know, cut the stems a little bit. And it does have a free riding wheel, so that's really cute. You could, you know, wheel it around. You could just put like some beads and call it a day, and it's just so cute and simple. You could use it for so many purposes. It has such versatile uses. You could do like notepads in there on your desk and put your pens and pencils on it as such. So you could use it for real plants. You could line it. It is made out of really good quality metal, so you could line it and use it for real plants, or you could just use it for literally any purpose whatsoever that your heart desires. You could also put some like little twigs in there and just call it a day and cut them a little bit. And it's such a cute tabletop decor. It's 15 inches wide and 5 inches in height, and it has beautiful finish, like distressed finish, and I think it's perfect for any season as a cute tabletop decor. So steal it. It's only $19.99.